Hello students, this is Susha. I'm happily welcoming you for the new lesson, Laws of Motion. So in your previous classes you have learnt about rest, motion and various type of motion. So when we think about a motion, some questions comes in our mind. So we'll take an object. So look at the car, it is moving. So what is the reason for the body to start moving from rest? A moving object comes to rest. Which makes the body to comes to rest? An object which is moving at slow speed, suddenly it increases speed. What is the reason behind that? Similarly, an object moving at a high speed, slowly it reduces its speed. How it happened? Already a body moving in a direction, how it changes direction to other? What is the reason for that? So, we saw different cases here. A body which is at rest start moving. A moving objects come to rest. Some objects speed up. Some objects slow down. And some of the object changes its direction. So one answer for all the above question is force. So without force it is not possible, isn't it? So in a common man understanding, a motion needs a push or pull to move or to bring rest or to change its velocity. This push or pull is called force. A famous scientist, Sir Isaac Newton, explained about force in his 3 laws. And these 3 laws are called laws of motion. And this is used to understand the motion of the body and also used to predict the future courses of motion. So we are going to see in this lesson about the laws of motion. So before I enter into the topic, we just see the introductions. First, mechanics. So what is mechanics? Mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the effect of force on the bodies. It have 2 branches. One is statics, another one is dynamics. Statics, which deals with the bodies which are at rest under the action of forces. And dynamics, which deals with the moving objects under the action of forces. And these are the 2 classification of mechanics. And here, dynamics also further divided into 2 as follows. One is kinematics and another one is kinetics. This kinematics, which deals with the motion of the bodies without considering the cause of motion, and kinetics is a motion of bodies considering the cause of motion. So students, hope you understand this. Thank you.